We're going to see supply chain management. What is supply chain management? It's the management of the network of businesses that take part in providing products or services to end users. It starts with the acquisition of raw materials and deals with all the processes involved until a final product or service is delivered to the end user. For example, transportation and storage of raw materials, its conversion into a finished product, and transportation, storage, and delivery to the end user. Which is the main function of a supply chain management? It's to track and manage the movement and storage of raw materials, work in process inventory, and finished goods from origin to consumption. This happens because as organizations strive to focus on core competencies and become more flexible, they reduce their ownership of raw material sources and distribution channels. These functions are increasingly being outsourced to other firms that can perform these activities better or that are more cost effective. The effect is to increase the number of organizations involved in satisfying customer demand, while reducing managerial control of daily logistics operations. Less control and more supply chain partners led to the creation of the concept of supply chain management. The purpose of supply chain management is to improve trust and collaboration among supply chain partners. They are no more called suppliers, they are partners. And thus, improving inventory visibility and the velocity of inventory movement. Supply chain management deals. It deals with selecting providers, selecting warehouse locations, and optimal levels of raw materials inventory, selecting transport routes and means of transportation, selecting factory and process within this factory's location, selecting warehouse location and inventory levels of finished products, and delivering finished goods to end customers. The main task of a supply management system is to manage complex and dynamic supply and demand networks that are interlinked. The objectives are to get the exact amount of material or services required to make the finished products at the exact moments when they are needed, to find suppliers of materials or services who are both competitive in price and reliable in quality, agreed delivery time, and capacity of production, to maintain optimal levels of inventory of materials and finished products, and to minimize inventory loss. It also tries to improve trust and collaboration with partners. It deals with payments to suppliers and from customers. It tries to maximize efficiency and to improve business competitiveness. It really looks for creating a value chain of multiple companies.